Hi. In this video, I am going to show you how to download high-quality images from Google. For this, first of all, we open the Chrome browser and then type anything in the search bar. I have football. After that, once it's open, click on Images, and all the images will immediately be open in front of you. Click on any one. Now, you can see the quality of this image is good but not better, and the photo resolution is written on the right side of that picture. We will try to download higher level images, so click on Tools. Then click on Size. Then click on Large. Now, these are all the images in a larger size. Click on any one. Now, you can see that the dimensions of that photo are 5780 by 3840. Right-click on it. Then click on Save Image As, then select your folder on your PC. Then, go to the right side of your laptop screen, and now you can see it has been downloaded. Click on it. This is the final result. That's all the way to download high-quality images from the Chrome browser. If you want to learn more about this, please comment in the comments section. If you found this video helpful, please like it, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.